Reviewing what we talked about in number 5 was parentheses tell us which operations or part of the problem to do first. And this will come into play for this as well. So number 8 we have the problem is students in a class of 26 are partnering to work on a project. The groups are made up of 2 students each. If each group receives 6 pieces of construction paper, how much construction paper must the teacher buy? So I have some important information here. I have that there are a total of 26 students. I also have that there are 2 students in every group. So thinking about this, I have to think about how many groups are partnering up. I'm taking the whole class of 26 and passing them out or divvying them out into these groups of 2. So that sounds like we're going to be using division. If each group receives 6 pieces of construction paper, how much construction paper will there be? Well, if I take how many groups I have, and I'm trying to give them each 6 pieces, I could think of that as repeated addition, or, as we know, multiplication. So I'm looking for a problem that has division and multiplication. I see that both D and E have division and multiplication, so I have to make sure that I have them in the correct order and in the correct parentheses first. So as we talked about before, I'm going to find out how many groups I have first by taking 26 divided by 2 and then multiplying by 6 to show how much paper each group is getting. So E shows me 26 divided by 2, number of groups, times 6. So if we now move on to number 9, we're solving this problem. So we want to take 26 divided by 2, which is 13, and multiply by the 6 pieces of paper. So when we're multiplying, we're going to take 6 times 3 first, which is 18. I have a regrouped 1, and then 6 times 1 is 6, plus the regrouped 1 makes 7. So 78 pieces of paper, which is answer B. Finally, number 10. As we've been talking about this whole test, the answer to a division problem is the quotient.